Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Xiaomi POCO C75 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have connect with internet but your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix this problem, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store and tap on your photo on the right corner. There choose Settings, Family and Parental Controls. As you can see, now you have page 3 to visible game or application as Mobile Legends game. We need more than page 3 to change it. Tap on it, enter our connect pin to parental control, and we can easily change it by tap on allow all included underrated, confirm by save. You can also turn off your parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.